Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Kevin here with Waylon the Jeep. This episode, we're going to be joining SOAZ Off-Road for their Turkeylander 2025 event. First stop, KOFA National Wildlife Preserve. We plan on cooking up a turkey, all the fixins, and enjoying Thanksgiving dinner around the campfire. In the morning, we're going to head out to the Yuma bombing range, and then set up camp, where Saturday we'll run the Bradshaw Trail. Finally, we're going to finish off by crossing over into Anza and setting up camp and enjoying one last night before we have to head out. As usual, thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, and enjoy the video.
To place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Where's my thingy? Koozie. Where's the koozie? Oh, maybe it is. A little gassy there. Cheers, queer. Oh, yeah. I like that one. That's a jammer. Very similar. That one's got a little bit more fruity to it.
Yeah, this one does for sure. Alright, well, you gonna cut the turkey?
Getting dark. Getting dirt. Ain't got no gas in it. We got Lincoln Riley. Ooh, 149. I think if we get 150, we'll be good to go. Come on, bird.
Well, you gotta grab that. This. I got this. There we go.
There we go. Don't let it fall out. Tibby will get it. All right. Now we need something to put it on, right?
Cooking a turkey on the trail, it's always a challenge. But we brought a Big Easy and hooked it up to our propane tank on the trailer, and man, did these things come out great.
All of it. All of the fixins. All right.
Wow. What a meal, guys. This was a team effort, and I gotta say, these are some of the best meals I've ever had. And getting to experience it out on the trail with friends, well, there's just no better place to be.
Oh. Quiet. Quiet, I'll smash your face.
finished up our turkey event, our Thanksgiving run out in KOFA, and we did a turkey, we did stuffing, potatoes, all the fixins, and cooked out at camp. Had a killer dinner and good conversation. Nice campfire to finish it off. We were stuffed. We're heading out this morning, packed up out of KOFA. We're gonna head across the Yuma bombing range, and we're gonna hit Cibola Lake and Cibola Refuge, and then we're gonna try to cross the Colorado. And the trestle bridge burned down recently in one of the fires, so I don't know how we're going to cross that. I've always wanted to cross that bridge. But that being said, we're driving out of Palm Canyon now. It's beautiful here. And we hope to get to the Bradshaw Trail going through the Chickawa, not Chickawa. I don't know what it's called. Chickawa, maybe? I don't know. Chuckwalla, that's what it is. It's the Chuckwalla National Monument, which is the newest national monument in the country. It's only 10 months old. And that's going to take us over to Red Cloud Canyon. True, quit humping your brother. And we're going to hopefully get down to the Salton Sea and check out the old Navy base down there. But if the smell's too bad, we're going to just beeline over to Anza. We do not mess around on the holidays. It's a great time to get out because you got for some of us, it's the only time we have off for the holidays. Is, I work, Monday through Friday, and it's nice to have those extra couple holiday days off. So I know it's not for everybody. Everyone's got family and so forth, but if you get a chance, the holidays are a great time to get out because no one's out, the roads are clear, the trails are clear, and you usually have a couple extra days off.
So is there some app that's called like Anza?
The Yuma Proving Ground began during World War II as a desert training and river testing site and has evolved into the Army's premier, busiest test center, crucial for modernizing nearly all ground combat equipment. In World War II, the facility was established as the Army Corps of Engineers Yuma Test Branch to test combat bridges and river crossing equipment on the Colorado River and to train over 1 million soldiers for desert combat in North Africa and the Pacific. Over the decades, Yuma Proving Ground has hosted critical development testing for major military systems like the M1 Abrams, the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter, and the M3 Bradley fighting vehicle, as well as developmental work for the Global Positioning System in the mid-1970s. Today, it is one of the largest military installations in the world by land area and the Army's most active test range. Today, we're going to drive through it, and let's hope we don't have any mishaps. Ambulance! Ambulance! Cool little cave. Shiznat up the Biznat. There's a crevasse up there. The Bradshaw Trail is a historic route of Southern California that connects the area between the Salton Sea to the Colorado River near Blythe, Arizona. Originally used by the indigenous peoples, it was later developed into a stagecoach route in 1860s by William Bradshaw, and has since become a challenging and popular off-road and off-highway vehicle trail gazers known for its harsh conditions. The Eagle Mountain Trestle Bridge is located between Desert Center and the Salton Sea. Abandoned early mountain mine. It was constructed to transport iron ore from the mine for Kaiser Steel Company. The original bridge was wooden trestle, but a steel bridge replaced it after the wooden one was destroyed by a fire. Loserville.
Hey, quiet. Not yet. Yeah.
Well, it's been one crazy adventure. Thanks for joining along. We're finishing up at Anza, and now we're going to get back on the highway and head back to Tucson, where we can unpack, get ready for work for this week, and dream about hitting the trail again as soon as possible. Thanks for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you. Talk to you soon.